Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we will listen to the story The Fox and the Crow. This story will help you learn new vocabulary, practice speaking and understand the moral. Let's start with the story. Pay attention to the characters and the words they use. After the story, we will guide you on how it can improve your spoken English. Let's read the story. The story title is The Fox and the Crow. One day, a crow found a piece of cheese and flew up to the branch to enjoy it. A hungry fox saw the crow and thought to himself, "How can I get that cheese?" The fox walked up to the tree and said, "Good day, beautiful crow. Your feathers are so shiny and you have such lovely eyes. I bet your voice is as beautiful as you are. Would you sing for me?" The crow, feeling flattered and wanting to show off her voice, opened her beak to sing, and the cheese fell right out of her mouth. The fox quickly grabbed the cheese and said, "Thank you, kind crow. That was exactly what I wanted." He ran off, leaving the crow to realize she'd been tricked. Moral: beware of flattery. Not everyone who praises you is a friend. Dear learners, from the story, let's see some keywords. Cheese, branch, flattered, tricked, beware, praise. These words will help you talk about emotions, actions, and descriptions. Practice saying each word clearly and try using them in sentence to build your vocabulary. Dear learners, please practice the fox words of flattery. The fox used kind words to trick the crow. Try repeating these lines. Good day, beautiful crow. Practicing this dialogue helps you with tone and expressions. When you speak, focus on sounding convincing and friendly, just like the fox did. Even you can retell the story in your own words. Usually, after listening, try retelling the story loud. This is a great way to improve your fluency and confidence. Remember, you don't need to get every detail. Just focus on speaking smoothly. What does the story teach us about trust and flattery? The story teaches us to be cautious about people who might not have our best interests at heart. Think about the lesson and try to explain it in your own words. Talking about the moral can help you practice sharing ideas in English. Now, let's describe the fox and the crow. Clever, trusting, flattered, tricky. Here you can think about the traits of each character. The fox is clever and tricky, while the crow is trusting and flattered. Practicing character descriptions helps you talk about people's qualities and motivations in English. Dear learners, you can practice retelling the story and using the vocabulary you learn. I hope you enjoyed the fox and the crow. Now try retelling the story on your own to build fluency. Dear learners, I hope this video helps you improve your English. Our channel needs your support to continue bringing more videos like this. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more stories to help you practice spoken English. Keep up the great work and I will see you next time.